Good morning. It is about 7 a.m. and just waking up in the Airstream. Got a really fun day today that I'm excited about. It's gonna go kayaking on the ocean with my camera gear, which is a little bit scary because I've gone kayaking maybe like 4 times in my life.
And we are going to be going kayaking in this today. No, I'm just kidding. Hopefully the waves will not be as big. This was a video I took back in winter. Today should be much calmer. Nonetheless, this is where we're going to be kayaking.
All right, so I really don't know what to wear because I'm going to be going into a wetsuit because the water is like 52 degrees. And well, breakfast is some overnight oats.
And some kibble. Yeah.
Sabu's not coming, but all right, let's go.
I'm just getting my gear ready. I'm gonna bring the S3 today with the 12 to 24, and I'm gonna bring my 16 to 35 because I've got my polarizer for that one. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna bring. We're gonna use some Pelican cases for our cameras. So hopefully, everything stays dry. All right, packing up, let's go. Okay, we made it and had to put on my wetsuit here. And I'll show you. Oh man, gonna pop those bad boys in this Pelican with some dry bags and wrap it up with some towels. And hopefully we won't really need the wetsuit or the Pelican case. Oh man, I'm already chilly thinking about it. We're all wetsuited up. Got Brian over there. We got the Pelican cases. And we're gonna go down. I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. Let's hope we don't fall in. So we're just getting down to Secret Beach. We got some light rays this morning down here with Marcus. Yeah, taking us down. And we got Brian coming down the trail. Yo, Brian. Hey, kitty. Yeah, me too. We got a little waterfall right there that's getting kissed by those light rays. Oh man, I'm excited for this. Can you believe that we are going to be kayaking there? Wow. It's kind of misty down there and the conditions look really calm. And what's really unique is that today we have a negative tide. It's down at negative 1.6. So I have hiked these beaches before on low tide and you're able to access some really cool sea caves. But today we're going to be able to access them via kayak, which is really unique and awesome. Something that I've not experienced even though I've been here so many times. We made it. I'm officially out in the open sea. And we got Brian. Brian just made it out there. And Marcus will hopefully soon be behind him. I'm sure he'll be quick. Dude's pretty quick with it. Hey, you made it! So I asked Marcus how many times people get wreck on these things, and he's like, oh yeah, nobody ever really does. And sure enough, I went sideways. Got some moisture on the lens. Man, this is beautiful. We're in Thunder Cove right now. And that light, we might be able to go through one of the caves here, which would be super cool. Ooh, yeah. Wow, I can't believe we're in the ocean right now. Oh my God, those light rays. I have not been able to leave Thunder Cove here. This has been pretty amazing up there. Got some shots of Marcus paddling through the light. Ryan's just chilling. And man, what a view. You know, I've actually, like in low tide, you can go onto that beach when you're in a negative tide. So a few years ago, I did hike around this area, but never on the water. And so this is definitely a cool experience. Oh, I can't stop looking at those light rays. Hey. We probably should leave Thunder Cove. I'm wet and cold in the shadows. We're in this little cave now, and gotta say, I'm a little nervous. We got a big swell coming in, and we're just rocking in this cave. But full disclosure, Mark's is totally holding on to me right now. Wow. We are at Natural Bridges. Oh man, that's cool. We're about to go through Natural Bridges here. Oh yeah, get it, get it. Oh man, this is so cool. We're in between swells right now, so I don't have much time to hang out in here, but it has been a dream to like roll on into Natural Bridges in the arch. And damn, like how freaking magical this is right now. What? Yo, this is crazy, Marcus. This is crazy. We're through the arch, right? So Natural Bridges, you'd be standing right up there. And this is the cove that I always look down. There's the platform. Oh, you probably can't see it, but the platform where you stand for the overview is there. So it's really cool to be down in the water here. A place that I just never thought that I would actually come to, because I thought the people that kayak down here were nuts. Apparently that might be me. Ooh, getting sucked out. We're back to Secret Beach, just right there. And I'm gonna try not to fall again, because I did a really, really good job of falling earlier. Very proud of myself, you know. All right, there goes Brian. Oh, we have a success. Yeah. Okay, we did it. We made it to shore. We got the boats back. We got the crew back. Everybody made it. Woohoo!
What an experience!
Yeah. Yeah, that was pretty epic. Back on Secret Beach. And yeah, there's the waterfall. You can hear it so loud right now. Oh, dude, thank you, Marcus.
Wow.
That was
epic, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, that was good, man. Now it's time to refuel, get some food, and take a look at some of these photos. Well, that's a wrap. We're just finished up. Highly recommend kayaking on the ocean out here on the South Oregon coast. Maybe I should add it to the workshop. What do you guys think? That one day out in the ocean just wasn't enough. We wanted to go back out and get some conditions, some foggy, PNW, misty, spooky conditions. And on this morning, we were greeted with just those. As you'll see, the ocean was calmer. I didn't fall in. And we got to explore quite a few more sea caves that were not accessible on the previous. All right, we made it into this little cave here, and there is like, wow, this is so cool. Show you the rest, but I'm gonna turn around. Okay, so here's the other direction of it. Oh man, this is like super creepy. Oh, it's just like sucking me back. There's wow, the cave goes pretty deep. There's some light back there to the left. This is wild, because the tide is so calm right now. And we're at a -1 tide. And man, this is cool. Just floating in here. Look at this scene. There's so many starfish, so many sea urchin, so many crabs, and we're starting to get some light rays up there, which is super pretty. Let me zoom in so you can see all the cool creatures on this wall. Alright, so I gotta make sure we don't hit the walls, but we're in another cave here. Oh man, you can hear the crashing of the waves outside of here. Oh, and it's just me. Oh, there they are. I don't know if you can see them through the hole there. Oh, this is so cool. I am rowing with one hand so that you guys can experience. I'm gonna get one of those GoPros, but this is pretty freaking rad right now. Oh man. All right, I'm gonna go. Oh wait, here we go. All right, we're doing it. We're doing it. What's up, guys? And here's the other side of the cave that we just went through. That's so freaking cool. Oh, it's sucking me back in. All right, I gotta go. Oh, no, here we go. Here we go. What's up, guys? Hey! All right, we should get some sun that starts to come up over here, and we're gonna go on the other side of that cave over there and try and get some light rays if we can. This sun with this fog, man, look at that moody mist right there. Can you hear the thunder? Oh man, that's wild. The ocean's such a wild place. And this is natural bridges, so like normally you're standing all the way up there and you don't even know there's this arch right underneath, which is super cool. Okay, let's go set up for some more photos. There are those light rays that we were just seeing inside the cave, just starting to peek out up top. It's so crazy how quickly the conditions can change when you have just like 30 seconds of incredible light rays. And then the fog rolls in real thick. And then you have beautiful light right behind us up there with some blue skies. It's so wild, like how quickly things change. And you really have to capitalize on the moment as it happens and be ready for it. If you ever wondered what magic looks like, I think this would be it. It's pretty magical, Marcus. Jeez Louise. Just bringing up the stuff now. Wow, those light rays were insane, man. Holy crap! If every morning could be this great, it could be. It could be. You just gotta show up, right? Right. Well, thank you, man. Appreciate it, Marcus.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Here's a few of my favorite images that I took over these last 2 days. And I learned so much about photographing from a kayak in the ocean. And I had a lot of fun doing it. So much fun that I decided to put together a workshop for 2026 that involves adventures like these. So please like, subscribe, and I can't wait to bring you some more adventures from the road or the ocean.